We have seen in the previous class some terms like contingencies. Contingencies, what do you mean by contingencies? In a truth table, a column which consists of zeros and ones is known as contingencies, right? In a column means vertical, row means horizontal. In a column, if you have only all of them ones, it's known as tautology, right? If you have all of them zeros, it's known as falsy, okay? Or it's also called as contradiction. It's also called as contradiction, right? Contingencies, tautology, contradiction or falsy, these three terms. Another four more terms are there which are introduced, page number 67. If we see the consistent statement, what do you mean by consistent? Two statements which are consistent if and only if their conjunction means what? And operator. Disjunction means or operator. Conjunction is not a contradiction. Conjunction means what? And is not a contradiction means what? Falsy. It should not be false. What do you mean by inverse, converse and contrapositive? The converse of a conditional proportion is determined by interchanging the and inside with the consequent. What do you mean by that? P implication Q equal to Q implication Q. P implication Q is nothing but Q implication P. Similarly, P complement implication Q complement and Q complement implication is P complement. This is called as converse. What do you mean by inverse is just the opposite. This is called as converse. What do you mean by inverse is INVERSE. P complement implication Q complement or Q complement implication Q complement. This is called as inverse. What do you mean by contrapositive? The contrapositive of a condition is formed by creating the first condition will create the second condition where the antecedent is equal to the consequent. That is P complement, that is P complement equivalence to Q complement or otherwise. Right. These are all the 7 terms you will see now. Today I am going to teach you truth table with one variable, truth table with two variables, truth table with three variables and truth table with the 4 variables. One variable I did not go down. Anyhow, I did not write, the reason is too simple. You can draw truth table for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, any number of variables. Boolean Algebra does allow you, right? Whereas in your ISC syllabus, you have truth table with a maximum of 4 variables. If you can handle 4 variables, 3 variable, 2 variable is a peanut for you. Too simple a task for you. I am going to do with 1 variable, 2, 3, 4. Boys and girls, kindly pay attention. Okay? With 1 variable, I will do it. As I told you in the previous class, if you have 1 variable, 2 inputs. If you have 2 variables, 2 to the power of 2 is 4 inputs. If there are 3 variables, 4 twos are 5 inputs. If there are 4 variables, 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 2 cube, right? 2 square, 4, 2 to the power of 1. I am going to do 1 variable, 2 variable, 3 and 4 right now. Please pay attention. The variable can be anything. Some other they use A, some they use P, some they use X. Anything it can be. Okay? Now let's see what is this. Truth table with 1 variable. Imagine you have a variable called as what? A. What are the output can be there? When you toss a coin, the answer has to be the head or tail. Imagine head is equal to 1 and tail is equal to 0. Imagine you throw a coin. That coin is called as A. When you swing the coin, when you toss the coin, what would be the possible outcomes? The possible outcomes will be either head or tail. In this case, it could be either 0 or 1. Please note, boys and girls, whenever you begin the truth table, always begin from 0. So if I begin from 1, is it wrong? It is not wrong. But still, we should maintain the uniformity. Even in the console, if you start from 1 and end with 0, the answers will be reversed. So it's a healthy practice to begin your truth table with zeros. Okay? Here I am. It's only 1 variable. Now imagine 2 variable tt. 2 variable tt. Tt is short form of truth table. Now I have a variable called as p and q. When I have 2 variables, 2 to the power of 2 is 4 inputs. Whatever may be the inputs, half of this, half of 4 is how much? 2. Must begin with 00, 11. 00, 11. Half of this 2 is how much? 1. So 0, 1, 0, 1. Do you understand? Okay. Now I will do truth table 3 variable tt. Imagine you have x, y and z. The inputs I am teaching you. Forget about output. Afterwards you can always learn. The inputs, you must not make a mistake. If inputs are wrong, everything is wrong. So that's the reason I am taking exclusively this class, how to be write the correct inputs of your truth table. Right? Here I am. How many variables are there? 3. X, Y and Z. 2 to the power of 3 is how much? Right. Half of 8 is how much? 4. So you must begin with 4 zeros. Left extreme variable. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Half of 4 is how much? 2. So 00, 1. 00, 1. Mind you, boys and girls, exactly in every variable there got to be exactly 8 inputs. If it is less than 8 or if it is more than 8, your truth table is utterly wrong. That's the reason I am teaching only the inputs. The rest of them because in due course of time I will teach you. Right? First of all, let's use the truth table with 1 variable, 2, 3 and 4 variable. Should I? Yeah. Half of 4 is how much? 2. Half of 2 is how much? 1. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is 3 variable. Now I will go to the 4 variable truth table. 4 variable truth table. Should I? Yeah. Now, what variable should I use it? Imagine 4 variable truth table. 4 variable truth table. What do I do is, I take variable called as A, B, C and D. How many variables are in boys and girls? 4 of them. 2 to the power of 4 is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Half of 16 is how much? 8. So it should begin with 8 zeros. So let's see that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four zeros, 4. 8 zeros, 8 ones. Half of 8 is how much? 4. 4 zeros, 4 ones. 4 zeros, 4. Yeah. Half of 2 is how much? Half of 4 is how much? 2. So double 0, double 1. Half of 2 is how much? 1. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Please note, boys and girls, I taught you truth table with 1 variable, truth table with 2 variables, truth table with 3 variables, and truth table with 4 variables. If you can do for 4 variables, I am sure you can do for 5, 6, 7 and n variables comfortably without any mistakes. I am confident of it. I want to teach you this. Then I will teach you how to draw the logic network. There are 3 gates you need to know: AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. I taught you that. All the 3 logic networks, we shall do it now. Now I am going to do some simple truth tables, very simple truth tables. Okay? I'll do some truth tables so that you can gain the confidence of doing by yourself. Now, I'll take some exercise problems so that you'll be able to do by yourself. Construct truth table for the following Boolean expression. What do you call? Construct truth table for the following Boolean expression. Okay. Let's do the simplest one. Okay. Let's see that. Now I will do this. Please note, how many variables are there here? X, Y, X complement plus Y. There are two variables, x and y. X can be of two forms. It can be a uncomplement or complement. Similarly, y also can be of two forms. It can be in the form of complement or uncomplement. Now let me do this. What do you do it? How many variables are there? Two variables. If there are two variables, how many inputs should be there? 2 to the power of 2 is how much? 4 variables. What are the variables you have? X and y. Now let's see that. 0, 0, 1. Two variables means 2 to the power of 2 is how much? 4. 4 inputs should be there in every column. Half of 4 is how much? 2. 0, 0, 1. Half of double is how much? Half of 2 is 0, 1. Now let's take the problem. Let's find this, and this. X plus y. Let me warn you or caution you right in the beginning, boys and girls. Plus does not indicate addition. In the entire chapter, what does the plus signifies? Or operator. 0 or 0 is 0. False or false is false. False or true is true. False or true or false is true. True and true is true. Now let's do this. We have done this, let's do this. How do you find the x complement? Let's find the x complement. How will you find the x complement is? Here is x. Opposite of x is x complement. 0, 0, 1 becomes 1, 1. Opposite of 0 is 1, opposite of 0 is 1, opposite of 1 is 0, opposite of 1 is 0. Right? You have found out this x plus y. You have x complement, you have y. So x complement plus y. Here is x complement, here y. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So you have found out this, you have found out this also. This and this, what does the dot indicate? Even if they don't write dot, it's understood that in between these two an and operator is there. This is x plus y, this is x complement plus y. 0 and 1. X plus y equal 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. So this is what your final answer. This is what your final answer. Should I give one more problem? Should I give one more problem, boys and girls? Yes. I will do one more problem. Copy down this, pause the video. This is the first problem you copy down. The second problem I will do it again. Yet again with the two variables. X plus x complement y. X plus x complement y is equal to x plus y. Let us prove the left hand side. Let us find the left hand side. Let us find the right hand side. If they are equal, you can say hence it is proved. If they are not equal, then you can say they are not equal. Okay? Here I go. How many variables are there? X complement y, x. Only two variables are there. Double 0, 0, 1. I suppose you know this. Now let us do the first. X plus x complement we have to find. What is x complement is? opposite of x. Double zero double one becomes, then x complement into y. Into y means add. X complement y. See, 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. 0 into 0 is 0. Sorry. 0 into 1 is 0. Then we need to add this and this. This is your left hand side. LHS means left hand side. You have x complement y, you found out, you have to add with x. This and this. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. This is your left hand side. Okay. Let's find the right hand side. What the right hand side is? X plus y. Here is x, here is y. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1. This is your RHS. This and this are the same. Hence, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is. Okay. I will do only one problem with 3 variables. Then I will wind up today's class. Stop the video. Copy down the first problem, second problem. Now I will do the third problem. Dear boys and girls, here is the third problem yesterday. The third problem goes like this: x, y, z plus x complement y, z complement. Sorry. I repeat again. This is the third problem. We are going to construct the truth table for a given Boolean expression called as x, y, z plus x complement y, z complement. As you all know, have a close look of the expression x, y, z. 3 variables are there. X complement, y, z complement. There are also 3 variables. A variable can be there with or without complement. So if there are 3 variables, 2 to the power of 3 is how much? 8. So there are 8 inputs got to be there. Let's see that. This is your x. This is our y. And this is our z. Let's find out. 2 to the power of 3 is how much? 8. Half of 8 is 4. So you should begin with 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. Half of 4 is how much? 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. Here half of 2 is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. As I told you, boys and girls, there should not be any mistake in this. If inputs are wrong, everything will be wrong. I keep emphasizing, I keep telling, underlining, stressing too much over and again. There should not be any mistake in your inputs. Now let's find out what the given expression is. X into y into z. Do you have x values, y values, z values? It's understood. X into y into z. Into means and. X and y and z. 0 into 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Is this clear? Let's find out. To find out x complement into y you have. Do you have x complement and z complement? No. Let's find out. What is the x complement is? Opposite of x. Inverted x. What the x value is? 0 becomes 1. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros, 4 ones becomes 4 zeros becomes x complement is 4 ones, 4 zeros. You not understand? Zeros complement is 1. Zeros complement is 1. Zeros complement is 1. Zeros complement is 1. One's complement is 0. One's complement is 0. One's complement is 0. One's complement is 0. Now, let's find out Z complement. What is Z complement is? Opposite of Z. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 becomes 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Is this clear? Now, we will find out, we have found out this x complement into y into z complement. Here is x complement, here is y, here is z. 1 into 1 is 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 0 is 0. X complement, y, z complement is 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0. Right? So, you have found out this, you have found out this. This and this needs to be connected by an OR operator. X, Y, Z plus X complement, Y, Z complement. Do you have this, boys and girls? This is the final answer. This and this needs to be OR operator, not added means not addition. 0 plus 0. False or false is false. 0 or 0 is 0. 0 or 1 is 1. 0 or 0 is 0. 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 1 or 0 is 1. So this is what the final answer is all about, boys and girls. Right? So this is the third problem. Third problem, this is the given Boolean expression. I am constructing a truth table for 3 variables. Next class, we shall construct truth table for 4 variables and we will see some postulates or theorems of Boolean algebra. Copy down all the 3 problems, practice it. Till we meet in the next class, take care, bye-bye.